good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It feels so good to be smiling again when I say that, don't babe? Yes, I remember when, yes, it does. Yeah, when I comb my hair for the first time in almost a week, 2 days ago, babe looked at me and he said, oh, it's good to see you back like this again. I haven't combed my hair in days, and when I did it a few days ago, babe said, oh, it's good to see you back like this again. Anyway, you guys, how are y'all doing? I am good. By the way, I'm good, and I am still thanking you guys for all the love and everything. It's another day in the new house. It's been going good, though we have so much to do and so much to unpack. The house feels clustered now and stuff like that, but no worries, we'll get it all together as time goes by. No rush, it's ours, we're here, and that's all that matters. My babies are around here. I'll show you my sexy husband chilling. Jeez. We're getting ready to go on the road, but Mr. over here decided to fall asleep. You guys can see our treadmill is there. It haven't get to reach to the spot where it's supposed to go as yet. No, it won't be staying right there. And our fridge is there in the corner. Everything is just all over the place. Everything that's in here is not gonna be in here. So no, this is not how the house is gonna stay. It's not how it's gonna look and all that. These couch that I said it is gonna move. Things just being spots right now where it's convenient for us at the moment. So let me show you guys what I have been up to all morning. Well, as of late yesterday into early this morning, with Babe's assistant, I made a toy stand for Tyler room that I'm gonna put his toys in. I'm gonna show you guys a little sneak peek of Tyler room so you guys have an idea of what the theme of Tyler room is. But like I mentioned in yesterday's vlog, if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you guys would have already seen Tyler room. When it finish, it's what we're focusing on right now because we want him to get comfortable for everybody else. But when it finish, of course, you guys will see the finished product. And this is the theme of Tyler room. And if you have kids, then you guys will definitely know what that is. You guys know Tyler is crazy about that. Paw Patrol. So that's a sneak peek of Tyler room. And this, I actually redone this little closet for him. I'll show you guys when the room is finished where that closet was and what it was, how I get it to turn into that. And this is what I built for Tyler room. I built this for Tyler room and I painted it. It was black, and I'll tell you guys what this was and how I turned it into that. So I'm heading on the road. I'm showing you this right now because I'm heading on the road to get baskets for these, all these sections. Going to have baskets so he can put his toys in, because right now those are toys, all those boxes under there are toys, and all this up here is toys, and I think about 2 of these boxes here have toys. So he really needs somewhere for those to go. And of course he's been enjoying his big boy bed. So Tyler room is actually coming together nicely. And of course when everything finished, then you guys will see what it looks like. But yeah, the house is just chaos right now, and we have so much to do around here. But yeah, that's what I've been up to. With the help of Babe, I created that that toy stand, and I painted it and stuff like that. But yeah, I am doing well. I am doing good. I'm getting ready to go home. I'm looking forward to that. Tyler is just here napping, and we're going to head on the road in a bit. So yeah, make sure you guys just have a good day. Stay lost, stay blessed, stay motivated. And if you guys were if you guys are now in a position that I was in few days ago or a week or so ago, in terms of if you're sad and you're down and you need to take some time to regroup and to feel better, just take the time that you need and do what you have to do to make yourself feel better. On that note, I love you guys and I'm happy to be back. I'm just happy to be back to the camera and just happy to be talking to you guys again and taking you guys on our daily and stuff. But yeah, we're heading on the road and I'll catch you guys in a bit. You guys, we're at the furniture store trying to find a closet for rooms, or a room or a bedroom. Yeah. You haven't said good morning to the Faves all day. Say hi, Faves. Look. Yeah, you know what this is? It's hanger to put clothes on. Hangers. We're trying to find a closet for a bedroom, but with the size and everything. Mama is talking. Give me a minute, okay? Yes. No. Good job. And what's this one? Good job. We're trying to find closets, you guys, for a room to fit directly in our space. But let's see how that will go. These are our options right here. So we have to choose from one of these. That one's ugly. Yeah. How it look inside? Just one side you can see? Okay. But this one is kinda will fit into our space. But this one up here, which is my favorite one, is a little bit, is like 6 centimeters bigger. Our space is 180 and this is 186. So you want to say hi, Faves? There you go. Fix your face.
Oh yeah.
Fix your face. Go. That's all you want to say to Faves? Hi?
Yes.
Say, Faves, I miss you guys. Look.
Because
You don't miss Faves.
No, it's a fire hose.
It's a fire hose. You're right. We're actually at the toy store trying to shop for Tyler's birthday because we have a little time to shop for his birthday, so we're doing that right now. And he's having fun in these little light up cars. Go, sit in it. You can go up. Go. Sit. Press the button. Press the red button. Oh. Boom, 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 boom. It's not moving. Wait, I'm so calm. He wants to ride the car. Hold on to the steering, okay? Hold it. Hold it. Whoa. Yeah. Boom.
Time to stop.
Huh?
Time to stop now.
Do you want to stop now? No. The beep beep. You have to drive. Whoa. Press it there. Press it. He wants to stop. He's so funny. Whoa. The beep beep. Go left. Turn. Turn the steering wheel. Go right. Go. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, vroom. Sit.
To stop now.
It soon stop. 1 minute and it stop. He says time to stop now.
The coins.
Take out the coins? You can't take out the coins when you put it in already. And he said take out the coins.
You always put him in this.
Because I want him to experience whether I react to it bad or not. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. Look at him. The more he do it, the more he love it. Practice become perfect. Have fun, my one boy. Leave him alone. Wow, it's tough. Good job. You had fun?
Yes.
And we're eating. Tell her, what are you eating? What is that? It's not chicken. We're having names. We're having Chinese food. That's mine. Looks so yummy. And that's Tyler's. And Babe is warming. We've been eating out for days.
Mama.
Because yes. Huh? You want to show Phils what you're having?
Yes.
Show them what you're eating. What's in your plate?
What?
Right, and what's in your hand?
And
Names. And we all love Chinese food, so we're gonna grub right now. As I show you, this is mine. This is spicy Thai rice. I have spicy shrimp and some pineapple chicken, which was for Tyler, and names. And Babe is going to have, I think, chicken in mushroom and a little of the spicy rice and some other rice that we had ordered. But yeah, we are gonna grab. Let me show you, Babe. Oh, it's so hot. That's Babe. Baby's having chicken and mushroom, chicken and pineapple, a little of the spicy rice, and a little of this white rice right here.
Everything that you made.
A little of everything, right? Yeah, so it's grab time. Here you go, my love. It's hot! Hot! Ah! Ow.
no.
Wait, I'm gonna let you see them.
No, look at this. Houses. I'm drinking chocolate milk. Mama, because they could, because they into the sleep, because they're hungry. After hungry, we could sleep. Bye bye.
See you guys tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. What?
You guys, that's the progress on Tyler's what should I call it? Toy store.
Mama?
Yes.
I want a big halo.
We got these ones today,
Look.
and we didn't want all red, so we only picked up. Be careful, you fall. So we only pick up 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna order the same ones in a different color on Amazon, so we can fill out the other spots. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. And somebody's heading to bed right now, and then he asks for chocolate milk. Sit please. Jeepers, look at my forehead.
They're shining like diamonds.
You guys heard what I just say? In Jamaica we don't say forehead, we say forehead. So that's the Jamaican expression for today. I changed my expression as I see my forehead. Forehead. My forehead.
Maybe I get used to Jamaican too much that
it sounds correct.
It sounds correct. It sounds correct.
In Jamaica, I would say my forehead shine like bongo brush. A bongo brush, we call a Rasta man a bongo. And Rasta man always carries a broom. And the brush that they use to clean, what did I say? The brush that they use to clean, when they clean their house with it, the house is spotless. It's shiny like my forehead. Bongo brush.
Bongo brush.
Yes. So this is called forehead in Jamaica, not forehead. Forehead. Yes.
Okay. Well, the French expression for today gonna be je suis crevé. Crevé is
here he goes with his R's.
Crevé is a tire that bursts. When a tire bursts completely, that is flat completely, we say crevé. It can be a bike, it can be a car, any tire. Okay. And when somebody is very tired as a person, we say I am crevé. Mean you are flat. You can't move on far.
What a vacation you're having, babe.
Oh,
I'm so sorry.
That's okay. I rest my mind.
Yeah. Je suis crevé.
Yeah. I give you this one.
Alright, you guys, we are ending out the vlog. Tala is off to bed. And we're not going to bed just yet. We have a few more things that we have to do around here for tonight. And then we're going to go to bed after. So we're just coming out to tell you guys that we love y'all. And thank you guys for 6,000 subscribers. We're at 6,000. We couldn't have done it without you guys. Thank you guys so much. Give this video a thumbs up if it's your first time to the fam bam. Comment down below. Subscribe if you are new. And hit your notification bell. That way you don't miss a video. Especially them Jamaican vlogs coming up, girl. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.